Landmark cases in Hindu law are pivotal for understanding the evolution of legal principles affecting personal laws. These cases shape the legal landscape, offering insights into religious, social, and gender issues. Essential for law students and judiciary aspirants, they highlight the dynamic nature of Hindu law and its adaptability to contemporary challenges. In Shastri Yajnapurushdashi Vamoldas Buddhardas Vaishya, the Supreme Court addressed whether the Swaminarayan sect was part of Hinduism. Orthodox Vaishnavas denied them temple access, claiming they were not Hindu. The court ruled Hinduism as inclusive, accommodating diverse beliefs including Swaminarayan, defining its broad, flexible nature. Githa Hariharan was denied guardianship of her son while her husband was alive. The Supreme Court interpreted after as in absence of the father, promoting gender equality and guardianship rights. This landmark case redefined the understanding of parental roles under the Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956, ensuring mothers' rights are recognized equally. In Sarla Mudgalvar Union of India, Hindu men converted to Islam to remarry without divorcing their first wives. The Supreme Court declared such conversions invalid and the second marriage void, emphasizing the need for a uniform civil code and upholding marriage sanctity. This case highlighted the legal complexities surrounding religious conversion and marriage laws. Shah Bano challenged the practice of triple talaq, leading to a landmark Supreme Court decision declaring it unconstitutional by a 3.2 majority. This case significantly influenced personal law reforms, opening avenues for similar challenges in Hindu law, highlighting the evolving nature of personal laws in India. In Paurao Shankar Lokhanda v. State of Maharashtra, the Supreme Court ruled that a second marriage without divorcing the first wife is void under the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. This decision reinforced the principle of monogamy, emphasizing the legal consequences of bigamy under Section 494 of the Indian Penal Code. In Devalusamy v. D. Pachayamal, the Supreme Court addressed maintenance claims from a live-in relationship. It defined relationship in the nature of marriage, establishing rights for women in such relationships. This case set parameters for live-in relationships, requiring parties to behave like a married couple, live together, and be of legal marriageable age. SMT Siddhabai v. Ramchandra addressed inheritance rights of children from voidable marriages. The Supreme Court ruled these children legitimate under Section 16 of the Hindu Marriage Act, granting them property rights. This case is pivotal in recognizing the legitimacy and inheritance rights of children from voidable marriages, shaping the legal landscape for family law. In Commissioner of Wealth Tax versus Smiti Shampa Kumari Singhi, the Supreme Court addressed the taxation of property under a Hindu undivided family. It ruled that women could be members but not co-proceners, highlighting women's limited rights in Hindu undivided family before the 2005 amendment. This case is pivotal for understanding the evolution of women's rights in Hindu law. In Dhanama v. Samar, the Supreme Court granted daughters equal co-parcenary rights, even if their father died before the 2005 amendment. This landmark decision set a precedent for gender equality in inheritance, emphasizing the progressive interpretation of Hindu law. Although later reclarified, it remains pivotal in understanding inheritance rights. In Vineeta Sharma v. Rakesh Sharma, the Supreme Court resolved confusion over daughters' co-parcenary rights if their father died before 2005. The court ruled that daughters have equal rights by birth, affirming the retrospective application of the 2005 amendment to the Hindu Succession Act. This landmark decision definitively established equal co-parcenary rights for daughters. These landmark cases have profoundly shaped modern interpretations of Hindu law, emphasizing gender equality, religious inclusivity, and the sanctity of marriage. They underscore the evolving nature of legal frameworks. Continued study and understanding of these cases are crucial for aspiring legal professionals to navigate and contribute to the dynamic field of Hindu law.